Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system. Make sure Windows Update shows no pending updates, because security definitions often arrive with system updates. Once done, open, start, and launch Windows Security. This is your central antivirus console. From the Home tab, choose Quick Scan to catch obvious threats right away. This gets you immediate feedback and a clean baseline so you can safely change protection settings. Make sure to stay in the app for the next steps rather than closing it. Now you configure defenses that run continuously. Enable real-time protection so Windows checks files as you open them, and turn on cloud-delivered protection for faster updates and detections. Once those are active, enable automatic sample submission. This helps Microsoft analyze unknown files. You can opt out if you need privacy. Then add exclusions only for trusted software to avoid interference. Be cautious. These settings balance performance and safety, so adjust them. Finish by running a full scan to inspect every file. If you suspect resilient malware, choose Offline Scan, which runs before Windows loads. After scanning, review quarantine and decide whether to remove threats or restore false positives. Make sure virus definitions are up to date. Install any pending security intelligence updates. If something goes wrong, restart the Microsoft Defender antivirus service, verify you have free disk space, and reboot. If the problem persists, run SFC and DISM to repair system files before scanning again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.